Today on Simple Food, Simple Life, we're going to make cinnamon pancake mix. Now the first thing you do is add 3 cups of all-purpose flour to a bowl. And the next thing that we need to add is 3 to 4 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Now don't worry about all of these ingredients. I will put the recipe in the description box below so you'll have it all. After the cinnamon, we're going to put in 2 to 2 1/4 tablespoons of white sugar. Now, if you want a little sweeter, you can, but frankly, I really don't see that it's necessary. This is plenty of sugar in this pancake mix. And then the next thing we're adding is 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Now, that may seem like a lot, but in actuality, it's just right, because remember, you're making the mix. You're not just making one batch. Now, the next thing that we have to put in, because I forgot, is salt. So, as you'll notice, I'm mixing it up because I forgot the salt. But I'll get to the salt, I promise. So, we need to make sure that that the dry ingredients is very well mixed, because we don't want to run into any lumpy baking powder, right? Okay, now she finally remembered the salt. All right. So then all we have to do, we're just going to put this in a sealable, resealable plastic bag. I mark on the bag exactly what's in it, cinnamon pancake mix, and how to mix it, and how much dry ingredients goes in each batch. Okay? All right. I hope you like it. Give it a try. If I can do it, you can do it. And this is very handy to keep in your cupboard, okay? All right. Love ya. And you just remember that little is much when God is in it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.